Fashion Inc. has been active since 2009, all the way until 2019. And then COVID happened, as we know. So it was inactive until early last year. I was in Fashion Merchandising 128, which is visual merchandising. All the students in that class got together to bring back Fashion Inc. Fashion Inc. is composed of fashion merchandising students generally, but it's not exclusive to fashion merchandising students. It is open to everyone. Fashion merchandising is more like the analytics and business side of fashion, whereas Fashion Inc. is more of that creative side, so it welcomes everybody's creativity, whether that's styling or designing. We just offer that for students. It's very diverse, it's super creative, everybody has different ideas, everybody comes from different backgrounds, and we're able to all mesh those things together.